Welcome to Busy Malus. Today we are going to unbox the Nintendo Switch OLED model. So this one I got it from Amazon, and let's see what all we have inside this box. So this box comes with the Nintendo Switch console, which is an OLED model, the Joy-Con left side, the Joy-Con right side, the straps for the Joy-Con, the high-speed HDMI cable, the Switch dock, which has got the LAN port, and the grip for the Joy-Con, and the adapter switch, which you could use in Australia also. So this is how the packaging looks like. As I said, it's an OLED model. It's a 7-inch OLED screen with a 64 GB system memory. It has got a dock with a LAN port and an adjustable stand. So you could use it in a tablet model, in a TV mode, as well as in a handheld mode. So let's unbox it. This is the Nintendo screen. It's handy. With a catalog with it. Then you have the controllers, left and the right controllers. Oops. Yep. These are the controllers. You just have to take it out of the controllers. I like the color. And you have the HDMI cable, the power cord that you could. So this is an Australian. You can use it in Australian power cord. For the handheld. And the grips for the Joy-Con. And this is where you connect the USB. This is the docking station. So this is all what it comes in the Nintendo box. It also mentions how you can set it up. You just have to plug it in, then set it up into the Nintendo. To remove, you have to press the hold button on top, and there's also a power button. You can scan the QR code here if you need any help. It's pretty small, handy box. So we'll set it up now, and then we'll probably play 1 or 2 games and show you how this Nintendo Switch is when compared to the OLED model. So this is an OLED model, and we'll see what differences it has with the other model. Thank you for watching Busy Malus. Stay tuned for more videos.